Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm Beloved Adeji, as you all know. So today I want to show you how to open a Gmail account without having to use your phone number to open it. It is very simple, but let me show you how to go about it. So open your Gmail app on your phone. Gmail app. Make sure you're using an Android phone, of course. So you open your Gmail app, and having to open your Gmail app, you have to click on your profile. Click on your profile this way, then try to add another account. So I'll click on add another account. I'll choose the Google part of adding another account. So I'll choose Google. Now it's going to take me to where I'm going to be able to log in Gmail account. But then we want to create an account without having to add phone number. What do? We use the create button. I'm going to click on create. And having to click on create, you see for my personal use, for work or my business. So you have to use for work or my business, not for personal use. Use for work or my business. This. So I'm going to click on that, and it takes me to the dashboard where I'm going to register. So I'll input my first name and my last name. So let's say let's just use something like business, and let me use something like knob. So having to next this, you're going to see different email addresses that you can use with the name you are choosing. So let me create, I could use business knob one at gmail.com. So let me use business knob ltd. Yes, let me use business knob ltd at gmail.com. So let's use that, and now you can input your password. So having it now, you see that you have your business knob ltd at gmail.com. So let me next that, and you have to choose your step. So you could choose one step or you choose the first step. So right now our account has been created without having to add a phone number to the account. So that's how to create a Gmail account without having to add phone number, because there are cases where you want to open multiple Gmail accounts and your phone number must have been used. So this is the very method you can use to open multiple Gmail accounts without having to add phone numbers or having to get an OTP code for request. So right now I've done all this, and the Gmail account is being opened right away. Now if you notice, this is the account I just opened. So now we have a Gmail account right here. It has been opened without having to add a phone number. So that's how to go about it. If you've not subscribed to my channel just yet, do subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment below if you are facing any challenges. I'll be in the comment section to reply you. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.